bus na yun, dumaan. Ay. Pwede ba daan bang mga bus dito?
Dito.
Santo Domingo Circle. Pwedeng bumaba dito, sasakay ng tricycle papunta sa project na bago. Ayan. Dito na rin yung daan pa, San Simon Exit NLEX. Hey guys, so ito na nga, kakarating lang namin dito sa bagong project na pinakabagong pre-selling. Actually, ano pa lang siya ngayon eh. We are accepting LOI. I cannot really discuss everything online. Hindi pa siya pwede. So, a bit of details lang yung pwede kong ma-share. Like, for announcement purposes lamang yung mga pwede kong ma-share. At yung parang general lang info. Pero, pag kinontak nyo ako directly, masasend ko dun yung ibang details. So, through private message na lang. Kasi nga, LOI pa lang tayo. Pero guys, just to give you an idea, nakita nyo naman, along the road siya. Ay, pakita ko ulit. Along the road. Diba? Ang ganda ng location. Tas ang lawak ng kalsada. And, about 20-25 minutes from SM Pampanga, Robinsons Pampanga, yung Azure, kung alam niyo yun, familiar kayo doon. Tapos dito kapag private car, pwedeng mag San Simon Exit. Kung commute, pwedeng mag San Fernando. Pero karamihan naman guys, since ang project na to kasi mid-range naman siya, hindi naman siya low cost kasi nga puro single attached lang po dito, 'di ba? So meron lang tayong certain target market. Wala po tayong low cost dito na mga below magbibigay ako ng example ng price range later on. Pero again, single attached lang po, tapos medyo papakitaan ko lang kayo ng konting overview. Except that we are only accepting LOI, and also some details would be given directly na lang, okay? So yun po siya, there's nothing to see because this is something na magiging ready pa most likely after 5 years. So kung ikaw yung klase ng buyer na ganun yung hanap mo, 'di ba? Maybe this is match for you. So that's all for today guys. That's for my update. All you need to do is to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, again, my name is Nicole. So just reach out to me. That's all I can say guys. For now, at least nakita nyo po na meron po tayong magandang soon to rise project dito sa may Mexico, Pampanga.